So your multi-chain architecture seems highly scalable for various applications. I'm curious to know what specific industry verticals are you finding most receptive to Geek's approach?
It's been an interesting journey because we've focused so much on security, and most people only know blockchain as sort of adjacent to crypto. Crypto is an area where people take risks all the time. So I don't know that they really have this culture of safety that I'm used to. But our multi-chain structure seems to be resonating in what's called the zero trust security space. So zero trust means trust no one. Assume that every device that connects to your network, every possible account that's trying to log in, is not necessarily who they are or say they are, or should be let in or should be allowed to do what they are attempting to do. So as there are more data breaches, we know now that your data, if you're an important company, has probably been breached a long time ago. And if you let someone in and assume that they pass the gate, so they must be okay, you can trust them, their session, then they can lie in wait, they can move laterally, all that terrible stuff. So zero trust security says, oh no, no, we don't trust you. You should prove that you have all the right authorizations when you act. So who, what, when, why, these are things that we need to know. Instead of saying, oh yeah, I know you entered through the, CRM, so of course you can have access to the admin. So our approach really is to explain that our blockchain is one where you don't have to depend on trusted third parties. And the reason we don't want to depend on trusted third parties is because they will be breached, and you're just not a good time to live in from a trust endpoint. So that means including everyone. That isn't catering to only a Web3 crowd. So the way we're going about adoption is to say this is a blockchain stack that we've worked to make secure for you Web2 developers, you enterprise developers who have dashboards and security issues. We can help protect what you need to protect when everything else goes down.